We're back in Riverview.
Man, you know this is our old stomping ground.
Riverview is 30 minutes outside of Tampa. It's called Riverview because of the Alafia River. You know what I like about this lot? It looks like you have a wooded area behind you.
That's what I loved about it was the mature oaks.
We kind of like having this little forest vibe going on in here.
It's like our privacy barrier.
Once we get in our yard, everything else is tuned out.
Welcome to our home.
It gets overwhelming when you have so many people in one small house.
Everything is just pretty cramped.
What are you talking?
And then as far as storage goes, this is really all we have.
We definitely need room for their beds, clothes, lots of toys. Just was getting way too tight in there. So we had it removed last week, actually.
Oh, real recent.
We would really like 4 bedrooms plus a playroom.
And then an office would be cool too.
Yeah, office.
What are you thinking as far as bathrooms?
3 baths. And with our old house, we didn't have a lot of storage. We didn't have an open kitchen. Those are definitely things we want to incorporate into our dream home. We're just not sure how we're gonna fit all that into only like a small footprint.
We're gonna have to get creative, but I think we can make it happen.
Definitely, it's figuring out what's gonna work for your family.
What about the style of the actual house?
We still argue over stuff like she wants it too light.
I like a kitchen that's bright and like welcoming. He likes dark color palettes.
I work in construction, so I'm out in the sun. When I get in the house, I like it to be a bit of a darker touch. It helps me relax.
Our next step is the inspiration tours. I really think that's gonna help figure out how these 5 bedrooms need to lay out and find a compromise between the light versus dark debate. Sound good?
Great. Sounds great.
So $335,000 max.
Yep.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
We're starting from a blank canvas with maybe just a couple sketches from Max.
Yeah.
Today, I am meeting with Anna and Max and trying to figure out what their dream home is going to look like. More importantly, how this floor plan is gonna be set up because they have 4 girls, but they don't want a large footprint, so it's gonna have to be strategic on how we piece together the blueprint for their dream home. The exterior of your house is the first thing you're gonna see, and you have a lot of different options. I wanted to bring you to this home to start with a traditional style exterior.
I really like the lap siding on it. I love the column, but we like a bit of more texture on a home. Really like stonework, and this is kind of missing some of that craftsman feel that we really love.
I really like when you walk in the foyer, you're looking straight out to the deck, so it just makes everything so open. It's inviting, you know, the living room's there.
Yeah, I like this, but maybe not as grand, not as long.
So we can scale it down a bit. You're right, I mean, because this is square footage that could be like in the kitchen or the girls' room or your room. Right off to the right, we have this dining room, so why don't we take a peek at that?
I don't think we really want like a real formal dining. I think an office space would, like right off the front door would be nicer. I think it's better used like for us.
The office doesn't have to be too big.
For sure. So we're kind of putting together that front part of the house. Now we need to go look at some kitchens. Looking at function in the space, what are your thoughts?
I mean, I like the setup in here, but I think I would prefer like a large island.
Yeah, something that's really important to us is having this seating for breakfast.
This kitchen is a lot different than the last kitchen we saw.
This one's more up my alley.
So I still like the black cabinets on the other kitchen, but I really do like the island. It's a bit darker, so there is a bit of contrast.
So kind of doing that two-tone option might be a good solution.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, I'm very open to that. I think that'll be really pretty, actually.
Awesome.
Nice seeing it in person.
I gotta say, I really like the layout in this kitchen.
Yeah, I like how it opens up to the living room.
I'm looking at everything that comes with having a 2-story house. I'm looking at all these stairs we gotta go up.
I like that, like, I can have the kids up here, us down there, and like we have a bit more room to work with, I guess, square footage wise, you know, and not having a huge house on our property.
So Max and Anna are not on the same page in regards to doing a 1-story home versus a 2-story home. We definitely need this decision to be made today.
You gotta think also the safety factor, just the danger that the kids could get themselves into at this 2nd story. I can just see them climbing on the rails and everything. I can think of more reasons why not to do a 2-story and do a 1-story than I can think of to do a 2-story house.
We can put the 4 girls' bedrooms on one side of the house, and we can have your main suite completely on the opposite side so you can still have plenty of privacy. which makes no stairs to climb up and down.
Yeah, if you can squeeze all the rooms on a single floor plan and still give us enough room outdoors to enjoy, I'm open to that.
So check it out here.
Yes.
So when you guys first pull up to your dream home, it's really gonna have a ton of different textures. You have the board and batten up here in the peaks, the horizontal lap siding. We have stone accents up here. Even that front-facing garage is gonna have another added texture. Uh-oh. What was it, Maggie?
I think it's your voice is a little loud.
You're gonna have a front-facing garage? You do like this better.
She says that's beautiful. It's gonna look really good.
Okay, so you're gonna walk through your front door and you're gonna be greeted with that beautiful family room, which will be right in front of you. And then right off the entryway to the right will actually be your office.
That'd be great.
We wanted to keep your kitchen tied into the family room. We actually have a nice sized dining area, but you have a really nice sized island in the kitchen too, so additional seating for sure.
Perfect.
Off the living room area, you do have these beautiful French doors, and that's gonna give you guys access to this picturesque view that you fell in love with. Let's not forget the best part. We decided to keep the girls' bedrooms and the playroom on one side of the house. They can share 2 bathrooms, and then obviously you guys have to sleep somewhere too, right? Like,
as soon as you said sleep, she literally closed her eyes. I'm not kidding.
which is actually on the opposite side as all the other bedrooms, so you're away from the girls. The ensuite bathroom is also complete with an oversized shower and a walk-in closet.
Max and Anna have lived on this lot in a manufactured home for the last 8 years, and now it's time to plant their roots and build their dream home. So 100 days starts right now. Today we'll be scraping the lot, digging the footers, laying out the house footprint. Today's gonna be an adventure, let's just say that.
Today, I'm going to be meeting with Max and Anna at the design studio. I am really hoping to accomplish all of their cabinets and countertops.
This pops out, but I don't know if you want something that pops out that much.
That's just too in your face.
Yeah, we could just probably set this one aside.
Bye.
This one's out because it's a bit light for Maxwell.
Yeah.
But I think maybe this would work better.
I actually really do like that combination too.
You both like it?
Yeah, I think we have a winner.
Let me hurry up and put the order in before you change your mind. Okay. I think it looks amazing. Are you happy about the selections you made today?
I like it. I think it looks really good.
Yeah, it looks gorgeous already, even just the small samples on the table. Yeah.
Yes. You guys did great. I feel like we accomplished a lot. And you both are gonna have a smile on your face when you walk in this dream home.
Today we are going vertical with these walls, and Max and Anna's dream home will be taking shape. You know, for years they were living in a manufactured home, which, I mean, in Florida is just not a structurally safe and sound house. So with this block going up, this is gonna be their dream home forever. We were all prepared today at Max and Anna's to fly trusses, but we got a call early this morning. We could not get the crane here, so when you're building a house in 100 days, you cannot lose any days, so the framers were already expecting to come, so guess what? We're doing interior framing today and flying trusses tomorrow. Doesn't really matter the order that we go. Typically, we like to do the trusses in the roof first to give us shade, so when we're framing inside, it's nice and cool. Today, no shade. First step for interior framing is furring out all the walls. This will give the drywall something to hang on to. You never want drywall right up against cinder block as moisture tends to come through. So we gotta fur out all the walls, then we can start taking this concrete box and start adding hallways and door frames and bedrooms and bathrooms. That's when the house starts coming alive. So today we're at Max and Anna's dream home in Riverview. A lot of progress has happened today. The outside of the house is starting to come to life. We got our lap siding. We got the board and batten that's already done. Stone's gonna go on the bottom. Simultaneously, we have the white and gray cabinets going to the kitchen. Now that the cabinets are done, we can start installing the countertops. Right now, it's Max, Anna, the 4 girls, all living with Max's parents.
But we are one day closer to welcoming them, I was gonna say home, but almost back home since they've already lived here. We're super excited for them to see this.
Oh, landscaping means we are one step closer to the finish line. It's a beautiful day at Max and Anna's because today's day 98. Gotta paint all the spots where the plants are going. Landscaping's going today, furniture's coming tomorrow. Max and Anna are coming in 2 days. And it's gonna be nice to welcome them back home since this was their home like 98 days ago.
We are one day until Max and Anna get to come home to their dream home. I cannot wait for this family to move back onto this lot into a permanent home.
Look at the house, it looks so good.
That's so much better than I ever imagined.
Here they are. You ready?
Hey, oh my God.
Max and Anna!
Hey.
Oh my God, it looks so good.
Usually we're saying welcome home, but it's like welcome back home,
Welcome
right?
back home.
Yes.
So good.
The view is a little different now.
You guys nailed it.
It has
it's
character.
awesome.
Just be careful. Some of the paint might be a little wet still, but we want to make sure we got it right. Are you guys ready to see your space?
Oh man, yeah, overly ready.
So ready.
All right, well, who wants to do the honors?
We can do it at the same time if you want.
Oh, we've never done that!
All right, come on.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
Go check out your new house.
I can't
Incredible.
believe this. It's so pretty.
Wow. Hey, look at your kitchen.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
Go ahead,
Check it out.
Hey, y'all can slap me for saying that this would be too much white, because this looks
It
beautiful.
looks great.
Slap him! Slap him!
I didn't mean that
So he's
literally.
saying we were right, Mika. We were
You know,
right.
I see you in here with no sunglasses and you're smiling, so.
Yeah,
It
looks
looks so
great.
good, and there's just so much
Lighting's
to take in.
perfect.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
The backsplash, everything. I can just imagine having the girls sitting out here, like making them breakfast, lunch. It's gonna be great. Look
Yeah.
at the dining room. Oh my God.
With 6 chairs for
Yes.
all of you.
Perfect for the family. Yes. And oh my gosh, I can see our family photos on
Oh, go check it out. Go check it out.
That's so nice. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
That's awesome.
Oh, I love it. No, this really feels like home now. Like
Yeah.
this
I love
is
it.
perfect.
Absolutely. Yeah, you guys took everything we envisioned, and just made it work.
It all started with your sketch.
It really did.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, there's another room that I think you both will enjoy. Let's see.
Wow.
Oh wow, this is nice.
Awesome.
And oh my God, check out the plans of the house behind you.
Yeah, check out those plans, and then I want you to check out the other plans.
Look to your right.
That's where it really started.
That's where it all began. You knew that eventually your dream home would be on this lot. So every time you're in the office, you can be reminded of kind of where this journey started.
Yeah.
So you ready to see your main suite?
Yep.
Let's do it,
Very
yeah.
ready.
Your tour continues this way.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is so pretty.
Incredible.
Look at that king size bed.
A whole king-size bed, and we got room to actually walk and breathe.
Got space. This is your oasis that you can come and just relax. Like, we've got the dark and the sophisticated. We got a little bit of the light finishes going on.
So pretty.
So you guys kind of have the best of both worlds, I think.
Yeah, it looks so good.
And all of you have been sharing one bathroom at your mom's house. So I think it's time to show them their own personal, private bathroom.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh my goodness, the shower is huge.
Wow.
Look at all this
Look at
space
that.
in here. Oh my gosh.
We can both shower at the
And
same
look-
time.
Oh! Go ahead, get in there. Get in there,
Can I
Max.
get in there?
Anna, you can join too.
right.
Check the acoustics.
You guys can just have a moment in there. We'll be out here when you're ready.
Yay, it's so nice. Oh.
Bye.
Let's just
Funny.
Are you ready?
So now that we know where Mom and Dad are going to be retreating to,
Yes.
shall we figure out where the rest of the family's going to be hanging out?
Yeah, I think so. I'm
Yeah,
so
let's
excited
do
to
it.
see
Yep,
their
yeah.
space.
Let's
I'm
check
so
it out.
excited. Oh, this is pretty. Oh wow, Aubrey's gonna love this.
Oh, yeah.
See
See
This
that?
is so perfect. Yeah, look at those flowers. Oh my gosh.
She'll love
definitely
it.
grow into it too, which I like.
Let's go see the other rooms.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
It's time to check out Rowan and Blair Bear's room.
Oh,
What do you
wow.
think?
I love it. I love the colors.
Yeah,
It's
this is
really
cute.
cool. Definitely their style.
They're both just so bright and fun.
Well, I remember the very first time that Mika and I met you out on this lot, you were holding Magnolia. And she's our little princess. We want to take care of her. So you want to go check out her new room?
Yes.
Let's go check it out.
Oh, how cute.
Wow.
Oh, this is so sweet. This whole room is beautiful. I love the mural. It's so cozy and cute.
Yeah.
Hope Magnolia
Perfect.
has some sweet dreams in this room.
Yes, we do too.
So we got a lot of insight from your trip to Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary celebration.
And we combined it into the most magical playroom we could think of. Are you ready?
We're ready. I'm so
I am
excited for this.
absolutely ready.
Do it. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Follow me.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is so
So
beautiful.
neato.
Oh my gosh. The girls are gonna die. This is so
Hey, even
I
getting
can't
their
wait.
own dress-up station too.
Isn't that cool?
Perfect for them, really. Yeah. This is great. There's the lithograph.
Yeah, there's and the little bed. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Carriage bed, yeah. Check out our family photos up there too.
Yes.
And all the dolls, I can't even, they're gonna love this. This is definitely a princess room.
Max, if you want to play in here, you can as well.
Yeah, I mean, there's got to be one that'll fit me, right?
Yes.
Now that matches your outfit.
That goes with the outfit perfect. So we've seen the inside of this house, but let's go look at that outside tree line that made you fall in love with this property in the first place.
Yes,
Yeah.
let's do it.
Look how this opens up to this back lanai. It's awesome or what?
This is awesome, you guys.
Beautiful.
It's perfect for entertaining.
So Max, do you think we maximized the view for you out here?
Maximized it to the max for Max.
That was the goal.
One thing we did maximize is the space in this house.
Yes.
Because we were able to give you your 4 bedrooms, your 3 bathrooms, the office, and a Walt Disney World themed playroom.
And we fit it all into 2,200 square feet inside your budget of $335,000 in your time frame budget of 100 days.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe how good of a job Brian and Mika have done on our house. It's absolutely gorgeous. I couldn't have asked for more. This is everything I pictured and more.
Leave you guys to enjoy your lanai, but welcome back home.
Enjoy the view, y'all.
All right, bye
Have a
guys.
good one.
Bye, guys.
Bye. I can't wait to bring our girls here and show them it because I know they're just gonna be as in love with it as we are.
Whoa, so cool, huh? It's your new house. It's your new house.
Oh my god!
Cool, huh?
That's Maggie.
Check this out.
I just can't wait to watch them grow up in this beautiful house with these beautiful bedrooms and beautiful playroom and just fill them with so many memories and fill us with all the memories of their childhood.